Welcome everyone. I am Chef Christy and I am so glad that you're watching today because I have a special guest, my niece Peyton.
Hello.
And if you are new to my channel, I share simple and quick and delicious recipes each and every week. So
Please subscribe.
I've got a nice little spokesperson here for me. So yes, please subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell. That way you will know as soon as I upload a new video. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make one of Peyton's very favorites.
Skillet Mac and Cheese.
Skillet Mac and Cheese. It's all made in a skillet. It's super easy, creamy, and delicious. So are you ready to get started?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Okay, to an iron skillet, I have 4 cups of water that is simmering, and I'm just going to add some salt, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream and let this come up to a boil. Okay, so to my skillet I'm going to add 2 cups of elbow macaroni. And then I'm going to cover this and I'm going to let this cook. Okay, so while our elbow macaroni is cooking, I have some, these are Ritz crackers I put in this plastic bag. And Peyton, you take this little mallet on the smooth side and just pound them just gently. A little bit harder than that. There you go. Yeah, that's good. We're going to make some cracker crumbs, and this is going to go on top of our mac and cheese. Watch your fingers now. Don't. There you go. Good job. All right, you just keep pounding them. Okay, I'm going to flip the bag over, so hold on just a second. Now, do it again. All right, that is good. Now, hold on just a second. Gotta try to get those down there. Okay. All right. So now, can you pour these into this bowl? Just dump them in there. Don't spill them. There you go. Good job. Good job. All right. So then what we're going to do is, here, you take this spoon. I'm going to pour this butter, and you're going to stir it as I'm pouring the butter, okay? Okay. Stir, stir, stir. Don't stir too fast and like sling them all out. There you go. Good job. All right. You want me to help you just a little?
Yeah.
Okay. Kind of. There you go.
That smells good.
Yeah, it's crackers with butter. Hello. All right, okay, I do want to go over this cheese really quickly with you that we're going to put in this mac and cheese. This is a shredded Gouda, which is a really good creamy cheese, and then I have a sharp cheddar, and then I did cube up some of the like the velveeta, the processed cheese, because that just really just makes it all creamy. So I just wanted to go over that. Okay, as you can see, the elbow macaroni has absorbed the liquid. So there is still a little bit of liquid in here, and that's okay because we're going to add all this cheese. So the first cheese that I'm going to add,
the cubed Velveeta.
That is right, Peyton. It's the cubed up Velveeta. Just going to add this.
Yummy.
And I'm going to stir it. Does that look good already, Peyton?
Yes.
All right.
I don't think it'd be too appetizing though, because of the chunks of cheese.
It's gotta melt, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Then I'm going to add this Gouda, just a little bit at a time.
Ooh, yummy. That's a lot of cheese.
Yes, it is. And I'm going to go ahead and start adding this sharp cheddar. Now it's getting creamy, isn't it?
Yes. And I feel like the liquid's going away.
I like a creamy mac and cheese. I don't like it when it's dry. All right, so I'm Stir, 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 stir.
Oh, it's looking yummy. It is.
All right, I'm just gonna put the rest of this cheese in here. And that was a cup of each. All right. Okay, so I have put all my cheese, and what I'm gonna do, I've got my oven preheated at 400. I'm gonna put it in the oven for maybe just about 10 minutes, and then I'll pull it back out, put my cracker crumb on top underneath the broiler. All right, so I have pulled the mac and cheese out of the oven, and so now what we're gonna do, it's really, really hot, but we're gonna top this with this, what are these things called?
The
Crackers?
Crackers and butter.
Yeah. All right, so you wanna get a handful there, and we're just gonna sprinkle the crackers all on top. Yeah. And we're gonna put this back in the oven underneath of the broiler just to toast up these crackers. Doesn't that look good? All right, let's do this. All right, I'm just going to evenly spread them. All right. Okay, Peyton, I'm gonna go put this in the broiler.
Okay.
Okay, look at that bubbling, cheesy goodness. Okay, the Skillet Mac and Cheese is all done. Are you ready to eat some of this?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to put some on a plate? You can do it. Ooh, look at that.
I don't want much, just to try it.
Okay. All right. Let me get a plate and then we'll try it together.
Okay.
All right. All right.
Get a little bit of
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. It's hot.
I
That is pretty good. Is that really, really good, Peyton? You like it? Okay. All right. Well, I had a lot of fun cooking with you today. Have you had a good time?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you all so much for watching. And I will see you soon, and hopefully you have a great day.